Yes, it is possible. With the right strategy and focus on high ticket affiliate programs, many marketers earn $10,000 or more weekly. Focus on high ticket programs with commissions ranging from $500 to $5,000 plus per sale in niches like finance, software, health. Driving traffic involves both organic and paid strategies. Use SEO, content marketing, and targeted paid ads. High quality content builds trust with your audience and drives organic traffic. Educate your audience on the products. Yes, paid ads are essential for scaling quickly. Use optimized landing pages and monitor your campaigns for the best ROI. Email marketing is powerful. Use lead magnets to grow your list and send personalized emails with affiliate offers. Automation is essential. Tools like ConvertKit and ClickFunnels help you run campaigns continuously and efficiently. Optimizing your sales funnel involves clear landing pages, strong calls to action, and nurturing leads through follow-up. Differentiate yourself through unique content. Focus on a specific niche and leverage paid traffic and collaborations. Effective strategies include focusing on high-ticket programs, creating valuable content, and driving targeted traffic.